Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nye with Crafty Mama Panda. I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome. But today I wanted to share with you guys a little haul that I got from Amazon. And I also was contacted by one of the sellers through Amazon. So I will be sharing what they have sent me so that I can do a review on the items that they sent me. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into this stuff. So this stuff here, this one came separately. It's so weird how they do that, right? But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here is, let me get something so you can see it better. Here is this, and this is the cute ghosty die. It comes with these little cute candy pieces. I think the handle parts for the pumpkin bucket. It says "Hey Boo," and then it has the leg. I think you can probably turn this so that the legs can move. I will make sure to link the items down below if you're interested in these. Super excited, can't wait to play with this. Let me grab a ruler so that I can measure how big this is. It's a pretty good size. I thought that the ghost little guy was going to be, but he's about, let's say, 1/2, 2 3/4. So that's a pretty good size right there. In height, and then I believe the biggest would be 1 2 3 4 1 5/8 going this way, and then this way was, I think it was 2 3/4. So great die. And then I also grabbed this one here. I thought this would be cute for like Thanksgiving or Halloween. So I got that. I'll make sure to link those below. Oh, and I forgot to share with you guys, but I had seen Tanya's Crafty Life, I believe. She shared a her name. I don't know what they called it. Like a name thingy that looks like this, but she used cardstock. And the funny thing about that was that I had the same exact thing in my mind of doing. I thought, oh, why not make it, since I have like the letter pieces and everything else, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I use cereal boxes. So for the letters, I cut out like 4 times, actually the backing too. So what I did was run my letter dies through the machine with the cereal boxes and cut that 4 times. And then I also cut that top layer piece that I wanted pink and glittery. And then I just glue each layer together. And then once I had that, I kind of glued it onto a piece of cardstock paper, which is this piece here, the first layer piece. And then what I did was draw out the spaces between that. And then I cut out that first layer, which is this cardstock. And then I use that as a template to trace out onto the cereal boxes. And then I cut that like 3 times, I think 3 or 4 times, so that it's nice and thick, and it's like that. And this piece here, I can like just pop that off. Since it's almost Halloween, I wanted to give it a little cute spooky vibe, so I put that cute bat bow. And then of course I had to add a little panda. I just stamped out the panda image and then had the die cut and cut that. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute. Anyways, onto my haul. I am super excited to share with you guys. Okay, there are two things that I bought, and then the other items I received from the seller on Amazon. So I got those for free. But here's what I purchased. I am super excited to use this piece here. I like to make musubi a lot. It's like a Hawaiian rice with seaweed, like wrapped in seaweed, and it is so good. But I needed a little like musubi maker, and this set is so cute. It comes with these ones. Excuse me. And you could put the rice in there and mold it. I think these will be perfect for my kids' lunch, like a to-go lunch. And then it comes with this super cute little rice scooper. Like, that's a mini one. How stinking cute, right? Can't wait to use that. But yeah, I'm so excited for that. Not crafty related, but you know, yeah. And then the next thing is this KS craft die. So this is the coffee set, or you can turn it into a embellishment or a, let me just put that, there's this piece. It comes with like 3 different sizes, which is awesome. And for the price, like, you can't beat it. So there's that piece. You get the whip piece, and then like the cups, and then there's even hearts, and then the lids. Can't wait to play with this. I thought it would be nice to just get dies that are like versatile, so I can use them all year round, whether it's for Christmas or Halloween or Valentine's or Easter. I would still be able to use it, you know. So yeah, I always think about, you know, things like that when I'm purchasing something like that. That way it's like worth the money. But yeah, I can't wait to play with that and share with you guys what I will be creating. But here is the paper packs that I received. The store is called BLEDS. It's BLEDS. So I'll make sure to link the store down below. And if you like any of these, I will drop the information down below, or the link. But this one is the honey flower, and it's super cute. It has like the bumblebee theme, which I love. So let me go ahead and get into this so I can share with you guys the paper. So it's 6 by 6. You get 12 different designs and 2 sheets. It's saying that it's acid, and I think that's linen, right? Free. So that's awesome. It's 100 GSM cardstock. So I believe that's 60-pound cardstock. So it's just like you go into Michael's and buying the 65, except these are like 5 pounds lesser, but it's still a nice thick cardstock. So as long as it's not, you know, copy paper weight, then I feel like it's good. Especially if you're using these for like junk journals and stuff, you don't want the cardstock to be too heavy and too thick, because it'll get bulky when you're like making junk journals. But you get 2 sheets. Here are the patterns. Super cute. Love this. That black. And then, oh, how cute. There's a cute little ladybug on that flower. And the colors are exactly like the print that you see on the front. You can even use this piece too. So cute. Oh, I love the lemons with the flower and the bumblebees. That is so cute. Ooh, the black and white. I have so many ideas for this. I cannot wait to play with it. So here's this one. And then that one. got this yellow, and then this one, and then this gray outline bumblebee. So super, super cute. So I will definitely have a separate video once I am ready to share with you guys what I will be creating with these. This one is called Serenity, and it's so cute. I love the greenery and the cute mushroom, and we've got some animals there. So here's how, once again, you get 2 of each. This one will be a great as a cut apart, so that's cute. Here's this one. Could probably use this one as a cut apart as well. And then there's this one. And then we've got this super cute owl with like the berries. And then we've got this, like, I'm not sure what it is, like a list, but super cute and vintagey. Vintagey, is that even a word? And then here's this one, which could be another cut apart, super cute. And then this one has the mushroom at the bottom with some flowers. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this one. Butterfly, mushroom, berries. And then this is like the berry with the greeneries. And then this one has the mushroom on the left with the flower, with the vintage writing. So pretty. And then last but not least, this like polka dotted, it's kind of like text written in the background. Super, super cute. All right, and then last but not least, this one here, it's called Worldwide. It's very like vintage. I have a lot of stuff that I have accumulated for like junk journaling, especially like lace trim and stuff, so I cannot wait to play with this. It's so pretty. Look at that. Definitely could use that as a cut apart. Look at that paper. So pretty. And then we've got like this map piece here, and then like stacks of like postcards and mails. And then we've got another like image of like a globe or like a map. All these are super cute. They're like postcard cutouts. How cute. And then here are some cutout pieces. And then here is this one. And then there's this one. That's pretty awesome. Then there's this one. And then this one. That's cool. It's like newspaper or something. Super cute. And then last but not least, ooh, that's pretty. But yeah, that is what I have for you guys today. And if you're interested in any of these, I will make sure to link them down below. Definitely check it out. And thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.